Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something a lot of people have been wondering. Can you actually turn your Sweatcoin into Robux? The short answer is no. You can't directly convert Sweatcoin into Robux. There's no official feature or tool that allows you to transfer Sweatcoin from the app into your Roblox account. However, there is a workaround that some users use. The best option is to trade your Sweatcoin for something of real value, like gift cards, PayPal cash, or any redeemable reward. Once you have that money, you can use it to buy Robux safely through the official Roblox website or app. But here's an important warning. Don't trust any websites or people claiming they can instantly convert Sweatcoin into Robux for free. Those are scams that could steal your information or get your account banned. So, to sum it up, you can't directly convert Sweatcoin into Robux, but you can exchange your Sweatcoin for money or rewards, then use that money to buy Robux safely. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who use Sweatcoin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.